So today I'm going to show you how to make some incredibly delicious banana blueberry muffins. They're moist and tender and so easy to make. They're loaded with bananas and blueberries and topped with a super easy streusel topping. Now this isn't anything new. I'm sure you already know that you want to start off with really ripe brown bananas. Now I like to mash my bananas up first and then measure them. Make sure I have 1.5 cups of mashed bananas. If you have too much mashed bananas in the muffins, it won't be better. It'll just be a heavy, dense, gummy muffin. Now add some melted butter and brown sugar to that mashed up banana. I give it a little bit of a stir just to start dissolving the sugar, and then we're going to add a couple of eggs. Now I'm using my neighbor's eggs, and they're home-raised chickens, so I like to crack the eggs in a bowl first just to make sure I don't have any surprises. After you get the eggs in, whisk them up really well and add some vanilla extract. Next, I like to add a sifter over the top of the bowl, and I put in the flour, the baking powder, baking soda, some salt, and a little bit of cinnamon. I like to sift the dry ingredients because it makes sure you don't have any lumps, especially baking soda. Baking soda tends to clump up really easily. Now you're going to take a wide spatula and gently just fold those dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. I don't even fold them completely because I'm going to continue stirring them a little bit once I add the blueberries. So I leave a few streaks and then add the blueberries. I'm using some frozen blueberries here, but fresh blueberries work just fine. If you do use frozen blueberries, make sure they stay frozen until you add them to the batter so you don't have any purple streaks in the batter and it doesn't get the batter wet. Now, if you do not have paper liners, you do not have to use them. You can just grease your muffin tin really well. But even if I use paper liners, I often go back in and just hit each of the liner just a little bit with some spray so it releases easily. Now take a scoop or a couple of spoons and put the batter into the little muffin cups. I fill my muffin cups all the way to the top, and sometimes I even add a couple more blueberries on top after that. When you finish filling the muffin cups, make a really fast streusel topping with flour, sugar, cinnamon, and melted butter. Give that a real good stir until it's moistened, and then sprinkle that streusel topping on top of the muffins. Once all the muffins are finished being topped, slide that into the oven. Now, when you take these out of the oven, make sure they stay in the pan for at least 10 minutes before you take them out. If you remove them from the pan right away while they're still hot, they'll fall apart. They're super delicate and tender. So let them cool down a little bit, and then you can take them out and put them on a wire rack and let them cool the rest of the way. Okay, I'm gonna bring my parents in and give me their opinion of these muffins. So come on in, you guys, come on. This is my mom and my dad. And the best muffin taste testers around. So go ahead and just open them up and take a test.
All right.
See what you think. I didn't even tell you what kind of muffins you're tasting.
Banana. I can smell it.
It does smell like banana.
And look at the blueberries.
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Those are very good.
Better than what you'd get at the gas station?
Well, I'll have to go buy one, and you give me 12 more of these, and I'll compare those 12 with the one I buy.
Okay.
Hey, these are really good.
Okay.
It's got a very nice crumb,
All right.
a wonderful banana flavor,
Mm-hmm.
and I love how many blueberries you put in it.
You could put too many blueberries in muffins because it makes it too wet. So
No,
I think this is
no,
a good
this is
amount.
good.
Yeah. All right. Well, there you have it. These are muffins you need to make. They've been approved by the best muffin taste testers around. Okay.